Hello everyone, Katie here. Today I'm going to show you how to automatically store your form submissions and attachments in your OneDrive, complete with custom file names and subfolder names. This will save you so much time by eliminating the need to annually upload, download, and rename your files. Sounds good? Let's dive right in. First, click the clear icon in the top right corner of the form you want to configure. From there, select OneDrive. Now you will see 4 cloud storage options: Dropbox, Box, OneDrive, and Google Drive. For this demo, I will use Google Drive. First, click on the Connect Google Drive option. Then choose the Google account you want to use. Once you are logged in, click Browse Google Drive and select the folder where you want your files to be stored. Next, you will see some additional options. You can choose to upload your submission data as a CSV file and even upload all the attachment files from the form. If your form has multiple PDFs, you can combine them into a zip file. This is especially helpful if you are working with master forms. Now here's where it gets exciting. You can create subfolders to organize your submissions automatically. Just toggle on the Create Subfolder and use variables to customize the folder names. For example, you can use data formats like this to include the submission data in the folder name. This way, each folder will reflect the exact date the form was submitted. You can also use the form name variable to match the subfolder name with the name of your form. So if your form is called Demo Appointment Form, the subfolder will automatically be named the same. For unique identifier, use the index variable, which adds a unique number to each submission. For example, it could name a file something like Form1 PDF. If all is good, click Save. And here's another cool feature. You can add specific field values to your file names. Click the name of the file, and you can also use the variable here. For example, this one I will explain it later. It's the data field XX. You can replace XX with the field ID from your form. For instance, if the field ID for position is 7, you can change the XX to 7. Then the variable will automatically put the input from that field and include it in the name. And save it. Once you have set everything up, go ahead and give it a text. After submission, you can check it in Google Drive. Here you will see that the subfolders are created automatically, the names are perfectly formatted, and the files, whether they are PDFs, CSVs, or attachments, are in the right place. Pretty amazing, right? With this feature, you can streamline your storage process and save so much time. Now it is your turn to set up your OneDrive and enjoy a smoother workflow. See you next time!